Hey subscribers, this quick tutorial is how to check to see if your web browser is up to date and to get it up to date. There have been numerous issues in 2022, I think 7 in total, where Google Chrome and Chromium-based browsers, which include Firefox and Microsoft Internet Edge, as well as Google Chrome, have had to release 0-day patches. Today, October 28th, happened to be one of those days. I've already updated my Edge and my Chrome browser, but I'll show you how to do it in Firefox. It's the same on all of your browsers that are Chromium based. You go to your settings menu or your application menu. So here in Firefox, it's like a little hamburger menu on your right hand side. You go to Help, and you go to About Firefox. And you'll notice here, it'll say restart to update Firefox. That's what you do from a Firefox perspective. In your other browsers, such as Edge and Chrome, in Edge, you'll notice mine just finished doing the update, but all you do is go to your little 3 dots here and go to Help and Feedback, and you go to About Microsoft Edge. By doing that, it checks for updates, and you just saw where mine was already updated, and then you click Restart. It'll reopen your tabs. Chrome, being very similar in nature, you can do the same. So in Chrome, just if you're here, the 3 dots, top right, go to Help and About Google Chrome, and it does a check for update, and you see I'm on the latest version. I hope that helps protect your computers and keep you safe and teaches you something you may have not known about your web browsers. Thanks everybody, enjoy, and subscribe below if you haven't already.